Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. You're watching another episode of Lindsay Time! So in today's video, I'll be cooking a buffalo wings and I will show you how I cook this one. Yes, it's my first time to do this in my channel and I hope magiging okay ito. So these are the ingredients that you need in cooking the buffalo wings. So, ito ang ating wings. Nahati ko na yan. And na-prepare ko na din siya. And then we have salt, red hot wing sauce, and then we have ground black pepper, ground paprika, all-purpose flour, crushed chili, and butter. So, ang una natin gagawin is to pour about 1 cup of flour sa ating chicken. Next is to add about teaspoon of paprika. Add a teaspoon of this crushed chili. I recommend to use the chili powder, but for this time I don't have, so I use this as an alternative. So now we just mix everything and then I'll just use my hand. Malinis naman dahil sa Once na na-mix na natin lahat, get the black pepper and just add about a teaspoon of it and then yung iodized salt din. Ayan, just pasensya na. Tinansya ko lang but about teaspoon again and just spread it out. Tapos, don't forget to mix it evenly. And then, let's just marinate it for 1 hour. Right now, I'm just covering it. Tapos, I'll be ready to put it in the fridge. So yeah, pag na-prepare mo na yung chicken, ayan, lalagay mo lang siya sa ref for 1 hour and then, ayan, when it's ready, pwede na tayo mag-fry. And now, we're ready to fry. Just make sure that your oil is super hot and then fry by batch. This is a tip to make your chicken crunchy and it won't be able to absorb the oil. And also make sure your fire is on medium heat to avoid na masunog ang ating niluluto. Wait for the last chicken to be cooked before you add the next batch. Okay guys, so ngayon na naluto na ang ating chicken. Ayan, nakapag-fry na ako. Gagawin naman natin yung kanyang sauce. So yeah, ang una natin gagawin is we put butter. And then now, let's add the sauce. And then mix it constantly. Now add a little ground black pepper. Ayan. And a little bit of sugar. And then lastly is this garlic powder, pero konti lang din. Now we're ready to put this one. And just mix it. So guys, this is our buffalo wings. Ayan, so papatikim. Tada! Silence means super good. Ayan, wala nang masabi ang aking critic kundi kumain na lang. So So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. See you on my next vlog. Bye!